where we live so much of our lives online. Trusting others with personal information is inevitable. But what happens when that trust is broken? Identity theft can strike without warning. One moment, you're living your life. The next, your most personal details are in the hands of a stranger.
Yes, I noticed several transactions I didn't read. We need help.
Sorry, Mom. We'll escalate this to our front door, but it might take time. You need to fill out some paperwork.
Minumulto na ko ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Di mo ba akalain? Di ba masasabi?
Hi, this is a reminder that your bank account has been temporarily suspended due to unusual activity. Please verify your details so we can unlock it for you.
The hardest part of being a victim isn't the financial loss. It's the trust that's violated. Shahara is another victory. And Vel's life will never be the same. Identity theft is a violation of trust. It's a reminder that we must protect what's ours with vigilance and caution. But the good news? There are ways to defend yourself.